Sup y'all, it's your boy JC back again for another video. Tonight we are at the last steps of reassembly, so sit back, relax, and enjoy. Alright, so first off we gotta fix how the fenders are sitting. They're not quite as tight as I like them to be. My uncle actually chewed me out when he was here last time. So we're gonna loosen the bolts here and on the side down there, make it fit better, tighten it up. Obviously wheel has to come off. We're gonna fit the flare on as well. So let's go ahead and do that. All right guys, there you go. Can't tell if there's much of a difference, but the flare is on, so that's good. Obviously it's not perfect, it's a little bit scratched up, but maybe we'll retexture in a couple of years or whatever. Anyway, same thing on the next side. All right, so next step is replacing the coolant bottle and a windshield washer fluid reservoir. So, but before we do that, let's go ahead and double check that the hoses are all like attached and everything onto the block. So. All right guys, crazy to see those plastic things back in the bay. Hopefully I find like a different spot for this. Maybe, I don't know, maybe I'll just forget about it, that it's there. Kind of ruins the whole aesthetic with this side all cleaned up, and now we're gonna have the battery here too, which kind of just like makes everything all a mess again. But so with those things there, next step is to throw the radiator here. I actually chose to keep my radiator in my trunk to, you know, keep it from getting hit by like random stuff in the garage. I don't know if people consider doing that, but hey, maybe it gave you an idea. Now it gets exciting because we start to put the front end on with the radiator support. And then we'll move the car to the left, grab the bumper from up there, and finish up. All right, so just got the bumper on. At first it didn't line up. What happens is your chassis legs that are attached to your bumper, they bend while in storage. So basically they don't line up when you put the bumper on, but basically all you gotta do is get under there, see how far off they are, what direction you need to hit them with your purse towards, and basically bend them back, and before you know it, it all fits together again. So just a tip there for you guys. All right, last big thing is to connect the downpipe to the cat, and probably want some new hardware for that stuff. Shout outs to Adrian from VDub Midtown for hooking us up. By the way, these are 13s on both ends and torque to 18 foot-pounds. Yo, I even threw the rain tray on and the ECU cover, and finally I have the missing rubber piece there, man. Everything looking complete. It's been a while since I've seen this thing like this, but so tell me how y'all feel. You kind of digging the look? Probably gonna make a new bracket for this license plate. Not liking how it sits like that, all like crooked and everything. But yeah, just coolant, oil change, throw the battery back on, and we're gonna see if it's gonna run and drive. All right, guys, thanks again for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe as always. Tomorrow is actually going to be the day that I try to start it up for the first time since reassembling it and pulling out the engine, but I'm stoked. I'm going to take it out for a test drive. I'll make sure to record, so stay tuned. Next video is going to be startup and hopefully the test drive. So until next time, always remember, set yourselves apart. Peace.